Hello.
Nothing hides from you. You see everything, even the deepest secret of man. Expose every evil, consume every wickedness. God consume with fire. Come on, manifest yourself. You got fire in your love.
Good evening.
Nothing hides from you. You see everything, even the deepest secret of man. Expose every evil.
Good evening, everybody. Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are watching us from. We are on our day 2 healthy smoothing challenge for couple. So if you know you have been following us, please kindly help us to share the video and our God will bless you. Thank you very much for joining us. Honey, do you have anything to say to my friends?
Hello. Good evening, my beautiful friends on Facebook, on WhatsApp, on everywhere. Thank you for keeping your time for us today. I know what we are doing here today is so beneficial to everybody who is scared to listen and watch us. It's very good for you and for your children and for those around you. So what we are trying to do here is how to make a fruit and vegetable juice, a healthy and smoothie one for you and for me. So you might ask, what is it program all about? What we are trying to message we are trying to give out here is drinking fruit smoothie can help you reach the recommended intake of fiber, which is 25 grams for women and 38 grams for men. One serving of fruit typically contains 2 or 4 grams of fiber, with blackberries, pears and apples having the highest concentration of 5 to 7 grams per serving. The soluble fiber found in fruit helps slow digestion and may help control blood sugar and lower cholesterol. All the food we eat in Europe, most especially, they all contain sugar and cholesterol. So how do we control it so that it will not have effect in our body? That is why we come out with this program, to enlighten many of our people who care to see us, who care to watch us, who care to learn from what we are doing today. When you have a high number of sugars in your blood, it results to diabetes, it results to high blood pressure, and you have so many rashes on your faces, you have so many pains in your body when you have a problem in your blood, because all the food, virtually the food we eat in Europe, they all contain sugars. We cannot doubt that, we can't deny that, but we must be able to put it under control. If you watch us, today is the 2nd day of our program that we are going to do for 7 days. If you are patient enough to follow us and watch the way we do it, you can also practice it in your home. We are not asking you to come and pay us money for this. We are not asking you to come and register with us. We are always saying, watch us so that you can also do it for yourself.
Take care of your health. It's very important.
These are the things we buy in the supermarket. You can get it in the supermarket around you and prepare it with a blender. You take a sip of it every morning or afternoon or evening. It will help you to control your cholesterol. It will help you to dilute or digest slowly all those high intake of sugar that you consume every day that would have effect in your blood and your health. Thank you, and help us to share this video. Let it go viral, and I want everybody to see how we do it. God bless you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for the presentation.
Thank you.
Thank you, my friends. Please kindly help us to share the video. So today we will be adding more ingredients, because yesterday the ingredients we used were like I think 3 or 4.
Yeah.
But today we have a lot of things here. because as we begin to come out daily, we increase our ingredients, and we are going to be changing our ingredients every day. So today we are going to be making our smoothie with banana, our fresh spinach, our kiwi, carrots, ginger, and then this is the seed I normally use. I know most of us know it, but I have it blended here already. It's called flaxseed. I am going to get the ungrounded one and show it to you maybe tomorrow or so. And then you know, this flaxseed is very good. It's full of fiber, and you know, anything that contains fiber makes you feel fuller. It will stop you from getting hungry. So it's very good you add things that food that contain fiber. Always make sure you add it to your meal. Make sure you add it to your food. Just add it. For example, if you want to take milk, you can just add a teaspoon of this to it. It will help you, to make you feel fuller. It will not even look as if you just drink a cup of tea. It will make your stomach, you will look very full. You will not even be looking for any other thing to eat. So we also have our almond milk. You can use coconut milk, you can use coconut water, you can use rice milk. But if you want to use milk, always make sure you go for plant-based milk. That is if you are trying to lose weight, if you are trying to stay healthy, if you are trying to maintain your weight, go for plant-based milk. Don't go for cow milk or goat milk. They are not good if you are trying to control your weight. They are not good for you. So, and then I will also be adding my shake to my smoothie today, because this my shake here, this one is the vanilla shake and this one is the chocolate shake. This alone contains 70 varieties of fruits and vegetables. This alone, thank you very much. This alone contains 70 varieties of fruits and vegetables. So just imagine, if I take one sachet, which means I am having 70 fruits and vegetables here, add one banana to it, add my carrot to it, add my kiwi to it, add my spinach to it, and add my milk to it. I have more than a portion of me here. So I will be consuming no less than 20 fruits and vegetables. I will be consuming no less than 20 fruits and vegetables. So we all need to help ourselves. Now that we are preparing for summer, we are preparing to have that good body for summer. So what do you do to have that good body? We were on lockdown for long. Many of us got fat because we were always eating. We couldn't go out. There was no physical exercise, so we increased in weight. And summer is just around the corner. I know a lot of people are worried. Oh, I am fat too, and I want to go to this beach. I want to go to the sea. How do I go with this my big belly? How do I go with this my fat? And they don't even know what to do. Now, if you follow this our 7 days program, I bet you will lose some kilos. Yes. If you have been following us yesterday, but if you haven't been following us, you can start it from today. After this video, go and get your ingredients. Start making your smoothie. Okay, how will you have a good result? You can use this smoothie for your breakfast. Replace your breakfast with it. You replace your breakfast with the smoothie. Then eat a healthy meal in the afternoon. Then in the evening, take another smoothie. You can still take the same one that you take in the morning. Or if you have any other recipe, you can change it. But for you to lose weight, for you to lose that good weight that you really want to lose, and to stay on track, you have to watch what you eat. There is no good way about it. Let us not deceive ourselves. You can't say, hey, I know there are people who eat, they will eat heaven and earth and they will still look slim. I admire them. But for people like me and you, that whatever we eat, it will just be showing in our body. We have to take care of ourselves. We have to watch what we eat. I know for most of our people that just gave birth and they are like, oh, my baby have to eat, my baby have to eat. Your baby will eat. We still have healthy recipes for breastfeeding mothers. We have healthy recipes for pregnant women. If you need any of my help, contact me. I have a lot of videos to send to you. I have a lot of videos to send to you. You will still be taking care of your children or your child, breastfeeding, or you are pregnant, still taking this recipe, and you will still be okay. So continue with us as we show you how we are going to prepare this smoothie this evening. And please don't forget to help us share the video with your friends, and our God will surely bless you.
Amen.
So I will be cutting my banana. So I will be adding the banana into the blender. This is our dinner. This is our dinner for today. So if you want to join us, get your ingredients and join us tomorrow. We are going to communicate the time for you for tomorrow challenge. And I will also be adding my carrots. Thank you, my sister Melody. Good evening, Bosley. Good evening, ma. Good evening. So I will be adding my carrots to my blender, and I have my kiwi. I already washed it. So this is my own way of peeling my kiwi. I am not perfect though, but I just insert my spoon inside and peel it off. And it will just come out very clean.
I believe you are the God.
Look at it. I just remove it with the spoon. Look at how clean it is. Let me remove this one. Look at how it came out. So I don't peel my kiwi with knife. I just insert my spoon inside and make it roll around, and it will just come out neat. Just look at it. So I will be adding my kiwi to my blender, and tomorrow we will be coming out with another recipe. So if all we are asking is that, please, if you are on this program with us, if you know you are seeing some results, please kindly share it with us, inbox us, tell us what you are feeling on the product. This is my ginger. We also know the benefit of ginger. Ginger helps in weight loss, and we all know that.
Thank you, Sister Evelyn Richard. God bless you. Thank you for watching us.
Thank you, everyone. Please kindly help us to share the video. Well, if you are a breastfeeding mother, if you are pregnant, I advise you not to go for ginger. But because I am not, so I can eat it anytime I like. But if you are breastfeeding, there are some things you need to avoid. So I will be adding my kiwi and my ginger to it. And I have my spinach here, fresh spinach. The good part of this thing is that we are in the season of fruits and vegetables. You can get fruits and vegetables, almost all of them in the market. So just go to the market, grab your hands on any fruit and vegetable you can get. And as we begin with as we start our video, you will be following us step by step. It does not really mean that you have to prepare that very one we prepare that day. We can prepare this one today, and tomorrow you do it your own at home. Let me just wash my hand, please. So let me finish the spinach. Okay. And I have my almond milk. Sorry, let me add mine. As I promised before, I am going to get the ungrounded flax seed. I don't know if you will be needing it. I am going to get the seed one so that I will show it to you in my next video, if possible tomorrow. But with the one I have here, it's already grounded. You can see it. It's brown in color. You can add it to any of your meal. It's very good for the body. It's full of fiber. So I will be adding 1 teaspoon. No, 2 teaspoons because it's for me and my husband. So 1 teaspoon for each portion. So another teaspoon. That is 2 teaspoons. And I will be adding my vanilla shake, my 70 varieties and fruits and vegetables. I will not be adding much because I already have a lot of ingredients here, so that it will not look too sweet. So I will just be adding some to it. I still have some left here. Maybe I'm going to use it tomorrow. And I will be adding my milk. Well, if you are to measure the milk, if it is for 1 person, you take 1 cup of milk. If it is for 2 people, you take 2 cups of milk. But there's no need of measuring it. I can just gauge it with my eye. And if it is too strong, I can add milk or even a little. Let me add some water. Let me add some water so that it will not look too sweet. You do it according to your taste. You do it according to your taste. Make sure you don't use cow milk. Yeah, I think I have all the ingredients here. So now I am going to blend. Bear it with me for just some minutes because the blender is going to make some noise. Yeah, our smoothie for dinner is ready. Just take a look at the color. I think yesterday we did green smoothie, today the same thing, but tomorrow I promise I'm going to change the color. It might be yellow, milk color, butter color. I don't really know, but I will have to think of what we should be going for tomorrow. Just look at the texture. Just look at it. This is my dinner and my husband's dinner. And the taste then. Oh mama. It's full of taste. That is not the sugar taste that we know. These are natural. They have natural sweetness. So even if you take them, they will not harm you. They will not do anything to you. So I have my, what do they call it? Is it my straw bottle? I don't know. And my husband has his cup here. So we are going to be dividing it into 2. Let me give it to my husband first so that he give it a taste and tell us how he feels. Yeah, how much this is for you?
You know why I've used cup to take my own? Because I'm not a baby that take from the bottle. So I drink from the cup.
Me, I be baby. I am a baby. 100% baby, eh? 100% baby.
Wow.
100% baby.
I love my juice.
I love my smoothie.
I love my juice. You know why I call it juice? Because this one replaces juice for me. I don't need to go to market and buy juice.
Just look at it.
When I
Just
can
look
make
at
it
the
at
color.
home, I enjoy my juice. When you take this, you know what it's doing for your head? It's replenishing your worn out tissues in your blood. It helps you to build your immune systems. It is helping you to build your blood. There are some unwanted food you eat, you don't know, junks. But when you are on this, you are okay, you are protected.
Once in a while, even if you don't Even if you don't feel like losing weight, just put, you need to put your head under control once in a while. Just mix things like this and eat. Take care of your health. It will really help you.
There are some slim people that eat more than fat people. Or you won't know. They eat more than fat people. Their stomach is at the back. No matter what they consume, you can never see it.
But for those who are
you
fat,
need it.
For those who are fat, we all need you. We know. I was very fat before. I was like 100 kilo before. But today,
I can finish this one and start with that one. It's finished.
Leave that one for me now.
For where? For where? I leave it for you now. See now.
Sorry, guys.
All right, thank you. We just make joke here.
Please help us to share the video.
Help us share this video.
Help us to share the video with your friends. And if you are trying to lose tummy fat, to support you with like if you need something to support your weight loss journey, Booster is one of the things you can also use. Booster is one of the things you can use. If you are pregnant, I don't advise you to get the booster. If you are breastfeeding, the booster is not for you. But if you are not breastfeeding, you are not pregnant, and you are having fat tummy, get your hands on this my booster. When you take my booster and eat healthy, it will help you. You know, there are some people that even when they eat healthy, they don't eat junk, but they are not still able to lose weight. They can't lose weight, but they are not eating junks, but they don't lose weight. If you are that type, come and get my booster. Before you know it, within 1 week of your program. Thank you, man. Thank you, man.
Thank you sister. God bless you.
So if you are trying to lose that tummy fat, you know, like me, before this place, it will, I don't know how to even describe it. No matter the cloth you wear, this place will come out. And the same thing with here. But because I am able to put my head under control, I know what to eat. I avoid things that are not good for my head. I don't have, sorry guys, I know what is good for my head. I don't have that big belly now. Just look at it. I don't have it. That fat is no longer there. How did I change it? I put my head under control. I watch what I eat. Not be my fault say I fat. Not be your fault say you fat. But since we fat now, maybe still they look for one way or the other to blend everything together. If you carry small here, join it together, your healthy lifestyle, it will just go smoothly. Now this is all what we want for ourselves. We want to look beautiful. I know there are some people who are still fat. They say I'm okay with my fat, no problem. Everybody know it is good for them, but for me, I don't like fat. I remember 2000 up to 2013, 2014 that I was like 100 kilo. If I wear trouser, even if I buy the trouser today, I just wear it for 2 days. This place it will consume. The trouser will look so old here. Why? Because of the fat. But now I can even use trouser for 3-4 years without you will not even feel anything. So this is how fat can destroy. If fat is destroying your trouser, what about your inner body? If your fat is affecting your lap and is consuming the trouser you are wearing, what about your inside? How is your body going to feel? So we all need to put our head under control. And thank God we have amazing products. Despite people are saying that product does not work, it all depends on who you bought the product from. If you buy product from me, I am going to follow you 24 hours. I will follow you at least for the first 2 weeks that you bought product from me. I am going to follow you to make sure that you stick to the program before you continue by yourself, and you will get a very good result. So please, and as for those people who wants to buy the product, they will say, I will buy it today, I will buy it tomorrow. Waste no time again. Come and get your products. Come and join us to inspire healthy living. All that we are doing here is inspiring healthy living. We are teaching people how to eat healthy. We are not doctors, but with working with our company is teaching us, is giving us the opportunity to talk about health, to tell people what you can eat and what you shouldn't eat, especially when you are having health issue. So please don't wait until you fall sick before you start taking care of your body. Don't wait until the doctor say, oh, I discovered this thing, or you are sick. No, start taking care of your pets now. Don't waste time. Please, before we go, help us to share the video with your friends, and our God will bless you. Have a lovely evening. We love you.
In addition to what she said about the fat people, I know many people will not want to see this as Gist Plus, because many prescribe this as it's only for the weight, for the fat people. It's loose weight loss. Let me tell you one thing. You might not be fat, average, moderate, and you want to maintain your size. You need this. It's not only for losing weight. You can be taking this to maintain your size, your status.
One sachet a day is okay.
A sachet a day will keep you that normal size you want to be. You don't want to lose weight. You don't want to be fat, but you are just okay the way you are, and you want to maintain it. You also need it. Okay, you need it. It can help you to lose weight. It can help you to maintain your weight. You need it. If I can take it, I have never experienced family size before. This is the way I am.
Why are you calling it family size?
I don't want to make it fat. I've never experienced family size before. I'm just only household. My stature is household, not family size. So I needed to keep my household instead of graduating into family size, where they will be expanding doors for me to they'll say, biggie they come. I know be biggie, I'll be smallie. So if you need it, you can get a packet of this, keep it at home, take it once in a while to maintain your weight. God bless you for keeping time with us today. Until we see you again tomorrow, please help us share this video to everyone. You might not need it, but someone else needs it. Thank you. We will be communicating with you the time that we're going to do it tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. Happy weekend to you all. Our regards to your family, wherever they are. Thank you. On behalf of my wife and my family, we say what?
We love you.
Bye. Ciao, bye.